Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in a simple, enjoyable, and effortless way. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times. No stress, just pure learning fun. Today's topic is one of the most glamorous events in American pop culture, the Oscars. Also known as the Academy Awards, the Oscars are the most prestigious film awards in the United States. But how exactly do movies win an Oscar? What goes on behind the scenes? Let's explore the fascinating world of Hollywood's biggest night. The Oscars are organized by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, a group made up of thousands of professionals from the film industry. Actors, directors, producers, editors, writers, and more. Each year, these members get to vote for the best movies, performances, and achievements in filmmaking. It all starts with nominations. To be considered for an Oscar, a movie must meet certain rules, such as being shown in theaters for a minimum time and meeting technical standards. Once eligible, films are submitted in different categories, like Best Picture, Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Director, and Best Original Song, among others. The Academy members then vote in 2 rounds. In the first round, they vote to decide who gets nominated. In the second round, they vote again to choose the winners from the list of nominees. These votes are secret, and the results are carefully counted and kept confidential by a professional accounting firm. Yes, it's that serious. Winning an Oscar isn't just about being popular. It often involves campaigning, where studios promote their movies through interviews, special screenings, and advertising to get attention from voters. It's a competition not only of talent, but also of strategy and influence. On Oscar night, the winners are announced live during a glamorous red carpet event watched by millions around the world. Celebrities wear designer gowns and tuxedos, give emotional speeches, and sometimes create unforgettable moments. Some funny, some awkward, and some legendary. But beyond the glitz and glamour, the Oscars are meant to honor artistic excellence and celebrate the power of storytelling. Films that would often become part of cinema history and reach new audiences around the world. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning how movies win an Oscar, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video. That part is essential for mastering your English and learning even more about American culture. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us keep growing and creating amazing content for you. See you in the next adventure.